In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to add link to TikTok bio. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, how to add link to TikTok bio? First of all, click on the TikTok app. The app will appear. Click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now go back and you can see here option of edit profile. Like if you want to add link, click on this and here you can add the link which you copied paste here. That was all how to add link to TikTok bio. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.